Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. Just going for a walk around the outside here. It's nice out, but it's cold. It was raining here a few days ago. Quite a lot of snow. And it's supposed to snow again tonight, so but it's a sunny day out there today, but boy, it's cold. It's, hovering around 0. Maybe 1, 2, back down to -1 at night. So, yeah, that's our prickle bushes. We got to get all that out of there. I think that's a garden underneath that. But again, we'll be getting to that when it warms up a little more. So, we got a whole bunch of stuff out of there. I don't know if we're gonna put another flowers in there, or I'm not sure what we're gonna put in there, but we'll figure out something. It was, full of prickle bushes and everything, so we got that out. That's where we do our fire. But it's a nice day, but it is cold, guys. See the mountains up there? See if we see up there one day. Two garages open. I don't know if this is open. It's locked. I forgot my keys, so I was going to go in there, but there are 3 more garages there. I'll have to get in there one time. I forgot my keys. There's a place up there. There's another bed, and forget what's all up there, but that's somebody else's yard on this side. That's our lane. Our lane comes to the only lane up here, coming around the corner where we are. So we got our own lane up here. Nice little area out here. This is where we're gonna do a lot of our metal detecting when we get out here. It's all on this side. So yeah, there's a lot out here. It's been cold. I only set up mine. I got to set up Robin's metal detector. But it's just been too cold to come out here. It's nice, but too damn cold for me. Septic tank down there. So yeah, front of the house. House is in behind there. Nice in behind there. I wish we had a little bit of water down there. Propane. Yeah, for the fireplace upstairs. Ready for when it gets warm. Underneath area here we got set up a little bit. So we're trying to get there. Little spot here to park. So yeah, I just thought I'd have a little walk through here. Small little spot. Something in here. We have to set something up in here. I'm not sure. Got a bit of garbage in here right now, if you guys can see, but yeah, it's a nice little area. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it, but we'll figure out that. Another shed in here. Another little. So yeah, a lot of crap in there. Well, not crap, but there's really nothing in there, so not sure what we're going to do with that. Don't know what that was, but we'll figure out something. So anyways, just a little walk around, guys. I hope you're having a great day. We'll be out here metal detecting here soon once it warms up a bit. We got a lot of places to metal detect, so it'll be fun just starting with here. Clean up a bit. Cleaned up this area here. You can see all the stuff there, over there, all done. So I think we're going to take down this tree. We're talking about it, so I think we might take this tree down. But anyways, I hope you're having a great day. Just a little walk around. It is a nice day, so I thought I'd come out just for a little walk around. We'll do a little walk around inside the house here soon, guys. So hope you're having a great day. Robin's little guy. Okay. Take care and have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon.